Hey, Katie. What you doing?
Editing a video for class.
So fun. It's still light outside. It's really nice. Beautiful day. So wonderful Thursday. Katie has her adorable dog Rue here. We're doing a lot of finals studying because we're on the final stretch. This is what I've done so far. I don't know like how far I'm gonna get. This is my friend Taylor's beautiful notebook. We've already made these for the midterms, so I don't know if I really want to like copy all of it. I just might copy the new stuff or the stuff I don't know very well. This is the night in our life, studying for finals. I only have one final, so after this I'm out.
I hate you. I have finals until next Thursday.
That sucks. All right, next step, we hyperpolarize the membrane. Wait, I already used this color. So we're going to Whole Foods.
Hello, this is Katie.
Did you just get a job?
What the heck? They called me.
For an interview? At REI?
It's like they wanted more information.
Oh, cool.
Whoa! She's a working girl.
Katie and I are eating really fast because we're starving and have literally not had food all day. But I got a delicious salad. Katie got a bunch of assorted dishes. And then I also got a caprese. Wow, thanks. It's the little things in life. Goodbye to Katie. Bye. Thanks for having me.
I look like a fish.
Have fun editing. You do not look like a fish. It's not gonna kill you. You will get through it.
What time are you gonna be in your room in the morning? I guess I need to plan.
I'm gonna be up at 6. Yeah, I'll be there until like 6:40, and then, but obviously I'm not gonna come that early. And then I come back from office hours at like 8.
What the heck did I just do? Command Z or Control Z?
Command Z. That's weird. Yeah, just redo it. It's 10:30 at night. I'm gonna leave Katie's. I'm gonna get ready for bed and go to bed.
This lonely track, all my worries of yesterday, I can't seem to get away.
Hey guys, just got home. Kind of late right now. I'm gonna start getting ready for bed because I have to wake up super early for office hours. If you guys want to see what a typical day in my life is like, you should go check out my day in the life video that I just posted last week. It is 10:48 right now, so I'm gonna try to be in bed by 11:30. I'm gonna get some PJs. I'm honestly really into pajama shorts right now because I just get really hot in this room. Once I get my pajamas on, it's time to wash my face and get all my makeup off. I am trying to be really serious about my skincare, so I'm gonna share with you guys a little bit of my routine and what I do. I like to start by getting all my makeup off with these Neutrogena makeup removing wipes. I've been using these for a long time. I'm trying a new type These ones have like micellar water in them. I honestly think getting your makeup off like really well is the #1 way you can help prevent zits and keep your skin clear. I feel like I have been breaking out a ton lately, so I've been trying something new. Vanity Planet was nice enough to send me this cleansing brush. It's really nice because it can deep clean your pores. Whenever I just use a makeup wipe, I feel like I never actually get all my makeup off. So using this has been really helpful just to get all the gunk out of my pores, and you can actually like see the makeup coming off. I really like using the exfoliating brush. They have like a daily cleansing brush or a body cleansing brush, and they have one with a pumice stone, so if you like want to put it on your feet to get baby feet, you can do that. I want to give a quick shout out to Vanity Planet for sponsoring today's video. They were nice enough to send this to me and also share a coupon code, so I'll leave it down in the description box below. If you want to pick up one of these cleansing brushes, they're only $30, which is a lot cheaper than other ones that are available. I also think these are super fun just to like mix up your routine and kind of get you back into like this skincare kick. I'm gonna go wash my face, brush my teeth.